All right, greetings everyone. I know what's been going through your mind. You've been thinking, you know what, I need some more crappy cell phone video of model trains running. So anyways, we're just going to go over a few models here that needed just some proof of life video shot. The first one here is a Conrail GG1 in the bicentennial scheme. I machined that out and threw two 15x8 speakers and 3D printed housings in there, and then it's got one of the new ESU Kato USA 58741 boards in it. It's got whatever the equivalent ESU V5 GG1 sound file is. I didn't write a note to tell me what it is, but we're going to go ahead and we're just going to fire that up real fast. And so I'm going to hit the power here. Yeah, we're going to hit F8. And now with the beauty of pause, we're going to turn this into another locomotive, like magic. Okay, so next up here, we have a Kato SD70ACe that someone custom painted into a Kansas City Southern unit. This one was originally painted Union Pacific from when I had it ripped apart. At least that's the box that it came in. So that has been converted to ESU LokSound, obviously, with a 58741 board. And it's got a SD70ACe sound file. It's S0720. I also added independent ditch lights on here. That's on F6. But I've done a bunch of these. So we will just hit F8. And we will hit headlights. And we will hit F5. And the headlights in this guy, as opposed, there are two surface mount LEDs on the 58741 boards, but they're pretty dim in here. So this got 3mm or 3.5mm round golden white LEDs on them. And then the ditch light tubes were cut, and you've got 0402 surface mount LEDs that are wired up in there on different auxiliary outputs. But so anyways, we will get this guy going. And finally, we have a Scale Trains C44-9W from the last run in BNSF Franken Loco. The owner of this one tried to find a sound-equipped unit first, but those that ship came and went, so he found a non-sound one and decided to send it my way. Those just take a standard X18 equipped V5 micro, part number 58828, and then Scale Trains, on their website, you're able to download all of the correct ESU files for whatever they put in a particular model. In that case, for the BNSF C44s, it's their file 97892.2. So anyways, we will just fire this guy up. There you go. 3 different models with proof of life. We have a Scale Trains C44-9W, a custom Kato SD70ACe in Kansas City Southern, and a GG1 with sound install. Thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day.